Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.system.com. Making this small video about yen index and yen pairs. Very important because today Thursday, and you see this on Forex Factory. You have this calendar, economic calendar, and after 9 p.m. today, there are a couple of red news for yen. Japanese currency yen, right? Bank of Japan policy rate and monetary policy statement, and later on, and another one from Bank of Japan press conference, right? So these are, but the thing is, the timing is not there. They are like tentative, and anytime they can break out after 9 p.m. I guess I'm guessing, but they will come out Thursday night or Friday morning, early in the morning hours, right? And these are a couple of three red news, which I think they will move the market pretty good, especially yen pairs, right? So let's get started and get ready. So let's take a look at the yen index first. What the heck yen index is doing. So let me show you the daily chart, right? So this is what my daily chart and my Elliott wave count and all of that, like 1, 2, 3, and then ABC 4, and then 5, and I thought it's gonna be finishing here, then here, then here, and then what the heck? Just keep going and going and going. So sometimes wave 5 get extended, but I myself personally lost count track. So what the heck is happening? Let's take a look at the higher time frame, which is the weekly, and then we see that okay, this was a big high here, right? And 75.31, and then we hit last last week and hit, and we got pulled back a little bit, right? So we hit it, and then see this candle, this last week candle, and the high is 75.32. 32, 8, 3, 2, 8. So it's at 33. So 31, 33, 75, 31, 75, 33. This high. And then we pull back a little bit, and then now going back up again, right? So the thing is that we are constantly going to the upside. The pressure is to the upside. Now, yen index, when it going upside, yen is getting weaker, and yen is always on the right-hand side of each and every yen currency, yen pair, right? For euro, yen, pound, yen, USD yen, CAD yen, Aussie yen, franc yen, all of that. So yen is always right inside, and if yen is going to get weaker, all yen pair will be going to the upside. Now, this is very good chance that we might go to the upside, but very good chance that it's a big move to the upside, and then we can drop after these news. Anything can happen. Now, I think I remember that when we were here last time, the bank intervention came in, and then boom, boom, we dropped. Are we going to get that tonight? Let's see. Let's wait and see. But on a weekly chart, there's another story. Sorry, monthly chart. So monthly chart is, this is my monthly chart. So if I pull the fib from here to here, the extension level 127 and 161 are there, right? So this is a small butterfly, means we hit this 78% first, and then we ABC, we came 23% line, and then for D, we already hit here 127 extension, which makes it a bearish butterfly pattern. But this is a small butterfly. The bigger butterfly ends up here, 161%. The price can go to that level as well. That would be a bigger butterfly. Now, the question is that 75.31, are we going to break this, or it's going to hold and we're going to drop? So this is, we bounce from this TL. If you have this TL from here to here, connect this. So we bounce from here, then we came, and then we bounced from here, and we are at 75.31. Very, very important number. If you break that, there is nothing to stop on the left-hand side. You can see that there is nothing. On my chart, at least, there is nothing. I have the chart from 2006, right? So this is the highest point right now since 2006, at least on my computer. Maybe some more data in the back, I don't know. So the bottom line is that we are at a very crucial area and a very crucial time. 75.31 is the high that we need to break or hold, and everything depends on that. So actually everything depends on the news tonight. Right, so rate decision and the press conference, let's see what happened. Now, both scenario, right? Let's take a look at the not the weekly or monthly chart, but I'm just going to look for a 40-minute chart of yen pairs to see that which one is giving me what kind of setup, or what are the possibility and what I'm looking for. So this one, the other broker, and then see this is what the heck is that? Oh, this is the cat. Okay, let's take a look at the pound yen first, right? So pound yen, it was here yesterday, and I thought that this is, X, A, B, C, and then D, we may be coming down here, but we didn't, right? So we wobble here a little bit, then we went up again above this level. This is a very big level. And then we came back and we kind of like holding it above it and like finding support, right? That tells me that we might be able to go to the upside. The door is open to the upside very clearly, right? So can we go, if we stay above 208, we can go to the upside. After the news, that means that yen index is going to get weaker and take all yen pairs to the upside. So let's take a look at other yen pairs, for example, euro yen. Euro yen is this. Again, it is also making a double top, pull back a little bit, but still, you see this from here. Look at the left, this high here, right? And there's another, no. So this high, let's say, even for this high, we are like kind of like, holding above it, right? And trying to go back up. That is also telling me that we might be able to go to the upside even more. So euro yen, let me show you euro yen. By the way, euro yen, let's say monthly chart. Take a look at the a monthly chart of euro yen, how that is going. And come on, man. My computer is slowing down. I need to clean up since I am back from the hospital. I didn't clean my computer, so I will later on. Right now, so a weekly euro yen is this same thing again. This euro yen is also like big move to the upside. Like I said, that yen index going up, everything going, all yen pairs going up. Now this is the monthly chart. So my take was that okay, this might be going to this area, 161. Pull back, wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5, or maybe 3 is not finished, or maybe this is a small 4, but this is very small for wave 4. So right now, I think that this 3 is not finished, and it may continue go to the upside to this level, FE. Now, this one, we can say 1, 2, and then I can't find the wave 4. Where the heck is wave 4? Even if it's wave 3, but this is wave 1, 2. I have a fib expansion here, and that is telling me that 61% is right there. So that could be wave 3, whatever the wave count inside. But right now it is powerfully going to the upside, and there is nothing on the left to stop it. Right? So it is freely going to the upside. Yes. Weekly chart is like this, even pulling the fifth from here to here, we have 161 to the upside. So yen gets weaker, we continue go to the upside, right? So this is also like showing that we probably gonna go to the upside. Remember, all my 40-minute chart says this message. After having a reversal candle on 40 means I need a reversal candle before I even think about going long. Like, for example, this reversal candle. If not, there's no going long at all at any cost. Okay, I must have right now. We are having bearish candles, right? So, in order to go to the upside and take an entry from 7-minute chart, I must have first 40-minute reversal candle, right? So here, if I have a 40-minute reversal candle is like this. You see this candle here, this very small body in the bottom, and then the candle closes above the previous candle, right? So this is a bullish reversal candle. Bearish candle will also always, for example, here, see this reversal candle, it closes below the previous candle, below. That's bearish reversal candle. Bullish candle will close above and a very small body in the middle. That's how the wick to the top, wick to the bottom. That is a reversal candle. After that, it's like a sign that, okay, this pair might be turning to the upside. And after that, I look for my 7-minute entry, which usually come from like somewhere like these 3 or 4 blue candle on a 40-minute chart. I'll get my 7-minute chart entry. And I take it from there. So, that entry and then a ride. So right now, if we get a reversal candle, that would be a clear sign that, not clear, not 100%, but it's a very strong sign that we might be turning to the upside. Then if I look at the 7-minute chart, I will drop my EA there. And then if there is a setup with 4 conditions, my EA will open the trade. This is how I trade. All my trades are like that. And my SL is always hard 20 pip. On a 7-minute chart, 15 pip. 15, sometimes 20. Maximum. If I'm wrong, I lose 20 pip. If I'm right, you saw my trades on my website and all of that places, right? 70 pip, 80 pip, 100 pip, 150 pip, 135, 40 pip. Right? So I'm always ahead of the game. Even 50% chance, like 10 out of 10 trades, I lose five. 5 trades hit the SL, but 5 goes my way. Then SL hit 25 pip or 20 pip each, 5 of them, that's, 100 pip. But if average, I have like 5 trades with average 80 pip, that's 400 pip. You do the math, rest of it, right? That's why a lot of people say, I don't show my losers. So I don't have time for that. I need to make the chart and this and that just to show that, okay, this is how I lost. What the heck? I'm not here to teach how to lose. I'm here to teach how to make the, pay attention to the setup and the big trades, try to catch the big trades. I teach how to hold the trades. What is the daily range? How you can use the daily range to find your precise target every single day. This pair every single day move 103. So if you can get in early, you have a shot at 100 pip or maybe 70, 80 pip trade. Don't close at 30 or 40 pip. Pound yen, for that matter, it has a daily range even now, even in December, 138 pips. So 140 pip, it moves within 24 hours from top to bottom. Come on, man. You find the entry and hold, taking out a 100 pip trade is a piece of cake. Yesterday, it moved how much? 116 pip from bottom to top. So find your 7-minute entry, get at least 60, 70 pip trade. Easy, no problem. All right. So this is how it is now. So let's go take a look at USD yen. USD yen also, I was expecting that we got a bounce from here and then go here. We are there. And we are right now making a 20-minute long setup. So 7-minute somewhere here, 20-minute somewhere here. Right? Let me make sure before I say something wrong. Are we making a 20-minute long setup right now? Beautiful long setup. In fact, my on the other computer, it is already open, the 20-minute long. By the way, let me show it to you, get how it looks like and how my ear open the trades. Come on, man, change. Okay, UJ, and I'll show you where the setup is right now. But it's not gonna move right now because we're all waiting for those red news for yen. 20 minute right there. Let me refresh the chart. You always have to refresh when you change the chart. So what is the price right now on the top? I see 155.68. So 155.68. Now I get the current candle and you will see my setup right there in front of your eyes. And see that? It already opened that. This is a beautiful entry here, here. This is not, these two, right? So this is the one. Right? This is out of the timing. Well, you can still, take it and then have the SL behind these EMAs and then be safe, or take this one and still be in the money, right? So if yen index gets weaker, this thing is gonna go. My entry is open and it said, what the heck happened here? Where is my SL? Hold on, guys, just a minute. Man. Okay, I don't have this. All right, so my entry on the other computer, I have a 20-minute entry, which I'll show you tomorrow if I run for good amount of pivots. Is this one, but somehow my SL survive, and then if it continue to go to the upside, I'll be in the money, right? And this thing moves so far slow. To be honest with you, yeah, this is USD yen. Only the daily range is 69. It's not bad so far. It moved 26. But tonight news, red news can make it move on even 200 pip, right? So be ready. And on top of that, I'm expecting USD to get strong. I made the USD video yesterday already. All right. Now, similarly, if you look at ASEAN, and this is ASEAN, so nice retracement back to 50% and bounce. We already have a reversal candle. We all have one, two, three. So anytime soon, or maybe already, 7-minute entry is right there already. Let's take a look. But like I said, don't take the entries right now because this is not a good time. It's like in the Tokyo session. Plus, we have red news right in the corner. Nobody's gonna trade rent pairs right now. They're all waiting for the 7-minute chart. Where the heck is 7-minute? Oops. Let me see. Two candles. Let me change that. I need to show you the entry, and you see that? This is what I'm talking about. So this is the entry. Yellow is above the black, and they're all blah blah blah. This one got messed up. This one got messed up. But like obviously, this was the entry, but this is not the right time. The time is bad, right? So it is ranging right now at 7 p.m. It will be like that, until the news comes out, and then maybe I think that it's gonna be boom, going to the upside. Okay, so let's go back and see. This is how it is. So it's going to go back. The first target would be 104. Daily range on this pair is 91. It's pretty moving pretty good, better than USD yen, right? CAD yen, for that matter, is not even budging to the downside at all. And it was like A, B, C correction, and boom, boom to the upside, right? And now, small correction, hardly, right? And it's ready to bounce. It's a lot of, pressure to the upside. That shows that, CAD is strong. And if yen start to get weaker after the news, forget about it. Let's take a look at this bigger chart for CJ. What the heck is happening? Okay, CJ here. See, this one is gone. All of these are gone. Then this is the one. This is a small baby here that we are dealing with right now. This one, right? So if you break that, that's it. 112.95, right? So 112.95 and 112.95. I'll make it maybe 9 small. It will fit in there. Yeah, okay. Even now it's not coming. Now it's coming, right? So and we are doing 113. So 5 pip above this. So we are trying to go to the upside, right? So as long as we go up above this, then we're gonna go to this or this. Or maybe this one here, right? So again, pressure is to the upside. Looks like we're going to go to the upside. 40-minute on this one. Let me see. CAD, yeah, okay, this is how the 40-minute is. Got it? So all of these yen pair mostly looking like, they are already bullish and they're not budging to the downside. They are showing that the pressure is still to the upside. Yen index, I showed you that big number. You have to watch that. And I think 75.31, right? And if after the news, any one of them, and then, if the price goes above that, then there is nothing to stop it. Right, so that will be going big time to the upside, and all yen pair will be flying. So find your entry, use whatever the system you use, or no use system, just open the trade randomly, whatever, right? But I'm gonna be using my 40-minute chart in my proper setup from 7-minute chart, and I will not even open manually. I will just simply put my CTS7 robot there and to take the entry. For example, this one, you see that 20-minute. Uh, these are still different candles, right? So daily range on this one is 80, not bad, right? USD yen is only 69 average, but this one is better than this one, and ASEAN also better than everything else is better than USD yen right now. But yeah. Okay, so this is the daily range, and what I do is that, when I see that, okay, it's going to the upside, then where the heck is it is, see right there. So I'm gonna make it which chart, that's 20-minute, and direction, I'll just make it long only here, and the alarm, and then open the trade and all of that, and then different settings we have here, right? Large size you can fix 1 micro to 10 standard, whatever. Stop loss is always 25 pip. I can change it. All of these can be changed, and then whatever you want to use. That's it. So many different options here, right? Large sizes, this and that. Move to break even, take profits, how many pip you want, right? What is your target? Trailing stop you can set here. So this CGS7 is pretty good and has give you a lot of option. Timing, what time you want, trade to start or whatever, right? And show daily losses or pip made, right? So all of this. So all I do is that you see, oops, okay. So this account is not approved for that. This is just to make the videos, right? So this is not the trading account, but yeah. So when I do that, you will see that in the corner. I think I can see this here. That this is even this one is not gonna take CTS7, I think, because they are not meant to be for this. You have to have a permission. Umar has to give me the permission as well. CTS7 came in and then it disappeared because this account number is not, feed in there. Anyway, let me put back my 40-minute. There was 40-minute with or without CJ, without the 40-minute. Okay, so this one. This is 40-minute alarm. Whenever I have a reversal candle, this alarm beeps and notify me of a reversal candle completion. And after that, I look at the other computer, 7-minute chart, and then I place my EA, long, short, whatever. Right? And I take it from there, right? So this is it for now. Yen index, pay attention. After 9 o'clock, tentative news, rate decision, Bank of Japan press conference. Market is going to move big time, hopefully, and right before the Christmas, so maybe not, but usually what happens is that, yeah, these kind of red news from yen, from Bank of Japan, move the market big time. Not only yen, but USD and especially Aussie probably gonna move. Aussie gonna get strong, by the way. All right, so Aussie dollar, not the pair. I'm talking about the index. Aussie index is gonna get strong, and then obviously then Aussie USD will go up, Aussie yen will go up, and Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie will go down because Aussie on the right hand side, all of that. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week, and be prepared for this yen move. All right, so talk to you guys later.